2026 26 registration Defender 90 X Dynamic SE in Woolstone Green. This car's done just around 3,000 miles. It's a passenger vehicle, but it's got a very unique, beautiful bespoke styling done to it. It's the colour to have, we all know that. But then this car's also got a sunroof, a full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But it looks amazing because of the Woolstone Green, then the black sections, the illuminated front grille, the Canards, LED front fog lights. Being a 26 model year, it's got the new headlights, the new bonnet venting, the new side venting, and then this car has the extended arch kit, the 22-inch gloss black wheels, mud flaps, side steps, contrasting black roof, and the wind protectors just here. Black mirror cap covers. The inside of this car is stunning. The big screen navigation, the new full multifunctional steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and full digital dashboard. You've also got electric memory heated seats because it's the SE. There's a tilt and sliding sunroof, a full black leather interior, lots of space in the back because it's a 5-seater. This is a stunning car. Like always, it's going to sell straight away. Why? Because it's the right colour. It's the right specification. With all that bespoke styling, it is beautiful. Do yourself a little favour and do your own research. Out of maybe every 20, only one 90 Defender X Dynamic SE has a sunroof. I've seen lots and lots, and none of them got them. You've then got the rear spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, and the new 26 model year rear lighting. There's the space in the back, and the seats do go down as well, 40, 40, 20. So, the car has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty up until 2029. The car looks great. It's got a 3-litre diesel engine in it, which is a D250, so that's a 250 brake horsepower. Push button start. You've then got this lovely finish here. It's all illuminating, great visibility. Push one button, the sunroof comes open. You've then got the Meridian sound system, more cubbyhole space under the centre armrest, and you have got the wireless charging pad there as well. This car also has a front pod light system, so you press one button there and that lights up. It's just amazing. Now we sell tons and tons of Defenders because they look so good, and value for money, it ticks every single box. It's a 5-seater, it's nice and high off the ground, it's got a great road presence, and when you get one in the right colour, with all that bespoke styling, you've got yourself a winner. This one's available, going live now. My name's Joe. If you like it, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.